This one's a quick one, guys, all right? Brian Rodriguez, also known as Best Deal Shop, coming to your screen. Hopefully, you guys have had a great day today. You know, if you guys haven't, don't worry, okay? It's a cycle, all right? But anyways, you see the link up there, right? Okay? Get a free website builder. It's not just any kind of website builder. It's at a $97 value, absolutely free right now with my link, okay? All right? It's going to basically ask you for your name and email, so then you'll know, so the system will know where to send you the access, okay? Because you need a special link, all right? And that's the link above. Free website builder, all right? Absolutely free, $97 value, guys, okay? But the thing is, a lifetime access, all right? I mean, how long have you been living? 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 years? It doesn't matter, because this, as long as this business is going on, it'll give you more than the time that you've been living, because it's lifetime. I mean, lifetime, guys. Anyways, my name is Brian Rodriguez, also known as Best Deal Shop. Hoping that you guys have had a great day, all right? I had a fabulous day, honestly. You know, some days are not good. Some days are better than others, but today has been a great day. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to cut the bluff. I'm going to cut the whole crap, and I'm just going to go ahead and give them this link. I mean, I have it. I use it. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, why not give it to you guys? There's nobody on this group. There's nobody watching still. You guys are probably having a good time. But if you're watching the replay, if you're still having a good time, that's great. But take advantage. Lifetime access. $97 value. Absolutely free, guys. I mean, who doesn't like free? All right, man. I ain't playing no more. But it's for reals. It's for reals. Hit the link. All right, I'm out. Have a good one.